Hello my friends, David Kessler here and welcome back to the studio. So today let's talk about something you may not necessarily associate with painting, and that is being healthy and keeping yourself strong so that you can paint for as long as you want to paint or make things as long as you want to make things. As you get older, your body's going to break down, and it's important really, because art is manual labor. You're making things with your hands. It's important to think about your long-term health and how being healthy and being stronger can extend your painting time. I realize as I'm getting older how important it is to take care of myself a little more. When I was younger, I didn't do that. And now when you get into your 60s, you think, well, I probably abused my body the last 50 or so years, so maybe I should do something to help me out. And I go to the gym, the club, the health club, whatever you want to call it, 3 days a week to lift weights. And the idea is for strength training and flexibility rather than trying to look like a muscle man. That's not the point. It's not bodybuilding, it's resistance training. Starting to show that strength training is one of the best things that you can do for flexibility, mobility, and long-term strength, both for muscle mass, bone density, and joint health, as well as many other things. Now, it's not that you have to do that. The key, I think, is to move and keep yourself moving, keep your heart in good shape, keep your body strong, so that if you do large gestural paintings, kind of like I do, or if you have to stand for long hours at a time to paint, that you can do that and your body is strong enough to accommodate that. All right, so think about that as you're moving forward. And if you're not in very good shape and you do have a grueling sort of manual labor job, maybe you're a sculptor or a welder or something like that, that really is taxing on your body, maybe you should think about, keeping yourself in better shape to increase your strength long term so that you can be an artist and paint well into your upper years, so they say. So I hope to do that myself, and I hope you'll do that and join me in doing that as well. I hope this was helpful for you, and we'll see you on the next video. Thanks.